Hey folks, it's Gene Courtney down at Courtney's BBQ in Clover, South Carolina. We're a family-run business, been here for 20 years. These right here, my grandkids, they just love coming up here and messing around all the time. We are a barbecue seafood restaurant. We do lots of things here, and we'd love to show y'all what we're doing. We have a free-range pork division. We raise the hogs down at my house. They are born on our property and raised on our property. So let's see what's going on today. We've had several people ask us how we make bacon. So what we're going to do today is do a little video on how we make our bacon here at Courtney's BBQ in Clover, South Carolina. First off, this right here is our hogs right here. We raise a Berkshire large black cross, and these just came in yesterday, so they're ready to go. This hog weighs about 300 pounds. So this is the top side of the bacon right here, the thicker side. The one back here is a little thinner, so this is the best piece of bacon right here we got. This weighs about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds. That's generally what the top half will weigh right there. That's a real good piece of meat. Our recipe is this right here. 4 ounces of kosher salt, about 3 to 4 ounces of black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder just for some flavor. I like garlic powder. We'll put about 1 teaspoon of the pink Himalayan salt in there. That's really what makes it turn into bacon right there. Then what we do, we'll have about a pint of maple syrup, real maple syrup. Then we're going to add a little bit of water in here just to give it the right texture. Oh yeah, that's going to be about right. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to try my best to open this bag up right here and get this thing here without making a mess. Let's see here. We put this in a 2-gallon bag, and what we're going to do is we're going to get this all set up. We're going to leave it in our cooler for about 7 days. About every 2 days, you'll go out there and you'll flip it. We're going to flip it. What that does is it gets the juices to come through the meat again. And we're just going to hold this up right here right now and get this in best we can. Like that right there. Let's get it all in there. Okay. Made a little bit of a mess right there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to ziplock this thing up right here. Thing in there now. I'll hold it right now to kind of give you an idea of what we're going to do. Then we'll lay this thing down and get it flat like this right here and get them things rubbing real good on there. And then about every 2 or 3 days we'll come in and we'll flip that thing over. See all that stuff right there? Now what's going to happen, once this happens, this is going to be cured. Yeah, it's cured. Now we'll take it out and we'll smoke it. And then we'll get you a video on that too. But this is all you got to do at home if you want to cure some bacon. Just come anywhere you can find some pork bellies. Get this stuff cut up real pretty like this. Use that recipe right there. Do this right here, and you'll have bacon, and it'll be very good. Now, this has the maple in it, so you'll have a little maple flavor. We use maplewood bacon here for our restaurant, and people really love the maplewood flavor to it. Y'all try this out at home. Let me know how it works. But we sure appreciate it. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.